The P0700 code appears when the transmission control module detects an issue with the transmission system. In simple terms, it's telling you that something's wrong with how the transmission is shifting or operating. But why would this happen? One of the most common causes is low or dirty transmission fluid. If the fluid level is low or the fluid is contaminated, it can affect how the transmission shifts and operates, triggering the P0700 code. The next possibility is transmission solenoid issues. Transmission solenoids control the flow of fluid in the transmission. If one of these solenoids is faulty, stuck, or malfunctioning, it can cause improper shifting and trigger the P0700 code. Now, the valve body is another critical component of the transmission system that directs fluid to the appropriate channels for proper gear shifting. If the valve body is clogged, damaged, or malfunctioning, it can cause erratic shifting and set off the P0700 code. Another issue could be damaged wiring or poor connections between the TCM and the transmission system. Broken wires or corroded connectors can interrupt communication, leading to the P0700 code. Another possibility could be internal transmission problems like worn gears or clutches. If the transmission components are damaged, they may not engage properly, leading to issues that can trigger the P0700 code. Finally, a faulty TCM could also cause the P0700 code. If the TCM isn't communicating correctly with the transmission, shifting problems can occur. Sometimes the TCM just needs an update to fix software issues, while other times it may need replacing if it's malfunctioning.